Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore Uranus, the seventh planet in our solar system, often referred to as the bullseye planet. With its unique rings and astonishing axial tilt, Uranus holds many mysteries and wonders waiting to be uncovered. Let's delve into its enigmatic atmosphere, extreme weather, and the moons that orbit it. Together, we will dig deeper into this giant icy planet and gain a greater understanding of its role in our solar system. So, get ready for a cosmic adventure filled with knowledge and wonder. Identify and describes Uranus' key physical characteristics including size, mass, gravity, and rotation period. Understand the composition and characteristics of Uranus' atmosphere and surface. Identify and describe Uranus's moons and rings. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is an ice giant with a pale blue color due to methane in its atmosphere. It has a unique tilt of about 98 degrees, leading to extreme seasonal variations with poles experiencing 42 years of continuous sunlight and darkness. Uranus was discovered by Sir William Herschel on March 13, 1781, marking a significant milestone in astronomy as it was the first planet to be found using a telescope. This discovery expanded the known boundaries of the solar system, challenging existing notions and spurring further exploration and study of the outer planets. Herschel's identification of Uranus not only added a new member to the planetary family but also demonstrated the power of telescopic technology in uncovering celestial objects beyond the reach of the naked eye, thereby broadening humanity's understanding of the universe's vastness. Orbital characteristics. Distance from the Sun, about 2.87 billion kilometers or 1.78 billion miles. Orbital period, about 84 Earth years. Rotation period, approximately 17.24 hours. Axial tilt, about 98 degrees. Orbital inclination, 0.77 degrees relative to the ecliptic plane. Physical characteristics. Diameter, approximately 50,724 kilometers or 31,518 miles. Mass, 14.5 times the mass of Earth. Density, about 1.27 grams per cubic centimeter. Orbital characteristics. Distance from the Sun, Uranus is classified as an ice giant with a composition that includes more ices such as water, ammonia, orbital period, and methane about compared to the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Rotation period. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen, hours, 83%, axial tilt, 15%, about 98 degrees, and methane, 2%. Orbital inclination. The presence of methane gives Uranus relative to the blue-green color by absorbing red light. Physical characteristics. The upper atmosphere of Uranus is extremely cold, 50,000 temperatures around minus 224 degrees Celsius, minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, mass making it one of the coldest places in the solar system. Earth. Internal structure. About 1.27 is believed to be composed of rock and ice, surrounded by a mantle of water, ammonia, distance from the Sun, about 2.87 billion kilometers by a thick outer layer consisting of hydrogen, helium, and methane, orbital period, which constitutes the planet's extensive atmosphere. Rotation period, approximately 17.24 hours. Uranus has a magnetic field that is tilted by about 59 degrees relative to its rotational axis and is offset from the planet center by about one-third of its radius. Physical characteristics. This irregular magnetic field suggests that it is generated by electrical currents in a thin shell of conducting fluid or 31,518 miles. Magnetic field. 14.5 Uranus times the mass has a magnetic field that is tilted density, by about 59 degrees relative to its rotational axis and is offset from the planet's center by about one-third of its radius. Distance from the Sun. This irregular magnetic field suggests that it is generated by electrical currents in a thin shell of conducting fluid, possibly in the mantle. about 84 Earth years. Axial tilt. Rotation period. Uranus has an extreme axial tilt of about 98 degrees, meaning it essentially orbits the Sun on its side. 98 degrees. This tilt results in extreme seasonal variation, 7 degrees relative to around 42 years of continuous sunlight, physical characteristics, 42 years of darkness. Diameter, approximately 50,724 kilometers, or 31,518 miles. 1. Mass, Titania 14.5 times the mass of Earth. Density, 4, about 1.27 grams per cubic centimeter. Miranda. Orbital characteristics. Distance from the Sun, about 2.87 billion kilometers or 1.78 billion miles. Orbital period, about 84 Earth years. Rotation period, approximately 17.24 hours. Axial tilt, about 98 degrees. Rings. Orbital Uranus has a complex 0.77 degrees, which is relative to the ecliptic planes. These rings are dark and narrow, made up of large particles and dust, and are much less prominent than the rings of Saturn, or 31,518 The Epsilon ring is the most prominent and is the brightest and widest among Uranus's rings, times the mass of Earth. Discovered in 1977, about these rings were the first to be observed around a planet other than Saturn. Orbital characteristics. The rings of Uranus are named distance from the Sun from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. They are thought to be relatively young and are likely formed from the debris of shattered moons about or comets that were captured by Uranus's gravity. Rotation period. The ring system is divided into three major groups. The inner rings, axial tilt, the epsilon about ring, 98 and the degrees, outer rings, each with unique orbital characteristics and compositions. 0.77 degrees relative to the ecliptic plane. Unique features. Physical characteristics. Seasons. Due to its extreme axial tilt, approximately experiences extreme seasons, with each lasting about 21,518 miles. Storms. Despite its calm appearance, Uranus can exhibit large, bright storm systems in its atmosphere, about 1.27 grams per cubic when the sun shines directly on the orbital characteristics. Distance from the Sun, about 2.87 billion kilometers or 1.78 billion miles, flying by in 1986. Orbital period, about 84 provided valuable data on the planet's rotation period, rings, approximately 17.24 hours. Axial tilt. Thank you for joining our in-depth exploration of Uranus, the orbital inclination, 0.77 degrees relative to the subscribe for more exciting content about space exploration. Diameter. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos. 24 kilometers or